Hello, 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 and welcome. If you haven't noticed, I am on a new door, and that door is Bitwig. Been using it for a grand total of 3 days, so I'm still very new. I've been messing around with the modulation and the different modulators, and have just done some really interesting stuff. So I'm going to show you the break, what it sounds like. So as you can see, I've got a load of stuff just going on, and there was no strategy. It was just like chuck shit at the wall and see what sticks. And then I got to a point where I was like, okay, that's cool. So what I did is I bounced it out, and then I got something. I got this, and I thought, okay, what can I do with these bits here? Um, and here was something that I've made already. Using, hang on, let me not turn my mic off. Using this technique, a really nice low cinematic sound, and that came from the breaks. So I wanted to just record my process and show you how I got there. So let's just put in a sampler. Eeny meeny miny mo. I won't do a Jeremy Clarkson and catch anyone by their toe. Choose that one. Only certain people will get that reference. And don't worry, don't worry. I'm never gonna go there. If you don't like it, fuck off. I don't care. So I'm gonna find. That sounds quite nice. Alright, wicked. So we're gonna shape it the typical. So first you find your position. I mean, I shouldn't have to explain that, but so I'm after something a bit stabby here. Something that could work with the ravey sounds. Something. There we go. Maybe a bit of release. All right, wicked. Let's see what actually. Reverb. Of course, reverb. It makes everything sound better. All right, let's open up a bit. I'm gonna keep it on the initial. Well, it's not initial, but it's the first preset that comes up when you open that reverb. Okay, let's get rid of that. Interesting. See? Take it down an octave. Well, an octave, a couple. Nice. So you get these kind of techie sounds. So let me just record that out because I don't want to lose anything that I make and that I like. Okay. Not the start point that I wanted, but it doesn't matter. Because we are only going to bounce it out after. Very nice. So we bounce. And at the moment, I don't have any keys for these. It's just straight up, bounce it out, get the sound, deal with it later. So I think what I'm actually going to do as well is get a higher version of this. And that's very EDM-y. Reminds me of bloody hell, I don't remember, like 2012, all that shit there. I think they called it the popcorn sound or whatever bollocks, but it's quite cool. We're gonna bounce it, save it. You never know. Yeah. Better to need it and not have it. No, sorry, better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. We can bring this down. And as you can see, just from like this small, simple, weird modulation, you can get a few different sounds. Let's move the start position. Let's see what happens. And as I say, reverb. You just stick reverb on anything and it just automatically sounds good. And because you've got the modulation going, you get all this movement within the sample. Hang on. Sustain. Nah. Alright, cool. I'm just fucking about now, so. Ooh. I don't know how useful that could be, but let's just record it anyway. That could be like some nice creepy effect somewhere. Who knows? So, same again. Bounce out. Very nice. Let's carry on. Why not? And what's nice about this is as you go up the octave, you get different sounds basically because the way the sample reacts as you pitch up or down. It's probably not going to sound great, but let's try. Okay. Not the best sound. All right, wicked. So let's bring you in, see what we can get out of this one. That's cool. Okay. Let's see if we can. Okay. Why is there not a way? Let's see. Maybe if we change, we can fade it out. You got a sort of flute sound here. Okay. Let me try and get rid of some of this. That is really cool. So, you know what I'm gonna do? Let's see. Not too low enough. That's a nice tone there. So, same process. And you get the idea. You can just keep going and going and going until you build yourself a little library of samples. And to be honest, that is what I do when I can't be bothered to make music or have no inspiration. I just sit there and just do weird shit and come up with stuff like this. But I just never record it. And I thought this time, fuck it, let me record it.